Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Wednesday, September 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here, and it's another very warm, muggy start to the day all around the region. There's a look during the 5 o'clock hour from the Cape Fear Community College Marine Technology dot camera there. The temperature is 73 there in Wilmington. Wind calm this hour. There's your highs from yesterday. A lot of 80s across the foothills and the Piedmont. You get into some low 90s closer to the coast and down toward Columbia too. 70s up in the mountains. And there's the rainfall distribution from yesterday. Most of the rain kind of focused through parts of the upstate and the Midlands of South Carolina up through the Piedmont and the foothills of North Carolina. And some of the heavier totals actually in parts of the Charlotte metro. You had numerous spots picking up over 2 inches of rain yesterday. Parts of Mecklenburg, Union, Cabarrus, Stanley, Anson, and over into Montgomery counties as well. So that was yesterday. Right now, it's pretty quiet out there across the region. We have no shower and thunderstorm activity here in the immediate area, but we're watching some activity off to the north of us begin to develop, and that'll try to develop into our region a little bit later on today. Again, a scattering of some showers and storms is likely by this afternoon. Right now, low and mid-70s. You get into some upper 70s close to the coast, some 60s in the mountains, and a lot of leftover cloud cover from yesterday. And like I mentioned, later on today, more scattered showers and storms will develop. You can see Stormcast picking up on that potential here as we head through the afternoon into the evening hours. Very muggy, soupy air mass remaining in place the next couple of days. Now you look off to the northwest of us, that is a game-changing cold front that's heading our way. That'll slide through this weekend and will bring some big weather changes to us. Notice what happens with the upper air pattern. You'll see a big trough swing into the eastern parts of the country this weekend. That will drive that cold front right through the region. So what we'll have first of all on Saturday and Saturday night, some pretty good shower and thunderstorm chances, followed by much cooler, drier air as we get into next week. And it looks like kind of an extended period of extremely nice weather, with next week featuring some 50s for lows, lots of sun, and 70s and 80s for highs, the first real taste of fall. Let's quickly scan through the tropics here. In your tropical update, we have Leslie, which is a tropical storm. There, you can see the system spinning northeast of the Caribbean islands. There's the 5 a.m. advisory, 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm, and Leslie just crawling to the north over the next couple of days. It'll wind up passing pretty close to Bermuda, likely as a hurricane over the weekend, maybe even as a Category 2 hurricane, but that'll stay offshore from the east coast. And then northeast of Leslie, you have Michael. Still not the best-looking tropical system you've ever seen, but it is a tropical storm now. This one's just going to kind of meander around through parts of the central Atlantic Ocean, probably strengthening to a hurricane at some point over the next few days, but it is still way, way out to sea and gradually getting further north. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.